Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this extra large weekly pill organizer. This is for people who take medications 4 times a day for a 7-day pill supply. It comes with 28 compartments large enough to hold the largest fish oil pills, vitamins, supplements, as well as your medication. Alright, so right here is the weekly pill organizer. This is offered in 3 different colors. It comes in black, light blue, and pink. So it does have a clear outer case. So this is the black color. So this is super big. This can hold 14 of the fish oil pills, 21 vitamins, 30 of the zero pills. They are super easy to use and open, as well as easy to lock. You can use one for 1 day. It's travel friendly, easy pill to pull out day from the box or take it the whole week. So this is premium quality. It's BPA free, durable labels. It's backup compartment. So right here, this is the Sunday. It has your morning, noon, night, and you have your backup. So with any of these pills that is marked by Auvon, they do have an app that you can download from iOS or Android. This helps you to remember when to take your medication. You can manage your medications from your smartphone. So they have the weekly. So the compartments are 10 by 7 by 1.5 inch. Each daily strips are large enough for 14 fish oil pills. Even some larger horse pills. It is travel friendly. The pill container is perfectly for daily and weekly use. You can organize all your medication. It has a nice little case to protect your medication. It's got little snap box. It has got quality labels. The leading edge printing technology ensures durable and long-lasting labels, freeing you from the worry of them rubbing off. You can see the back, it's sealed nice and good. They offer a free smartphone reminder app for Apple and Android users to keep track of your medications, making your life a lot easier. It's quickly set up and start for smart life. So if you're looking for a pill organizer to organize all your medications, your vitamins, your fish oil pills, I would definitely say check this one out. It is a super nice one that will keep your medication all in one spot.